What's going on, you guys? Eric here. It's another day. We're still going to continue on our RX8 build. Today, it's a pretty simple goal. We'll be working on turning our long block into a short block, stripping everything off of the motor, pull the transmission off, pull the exhaust off, etc. So we can get this motor shipped off to either Rotary Resurrection or Angel Performance. We'll see. Should be a quick video today. Shouldn't take hopefully too long to strip the old motor off, but let's get to work. Check it out, you guys. We got the motor stripped down to short block. Now, I have a massive mess going on, but that's all right. So, we're going to go ahead and get this motor on the engine stand and clean up some of this mess. We still got a few things to pull off the motor, a couple sensors here and there. And then on top of that, there's a lot of broken bolts that I need to get off the motor before I get sent off. And we've got to take the oil pan off. So that's a few more things to do. But for the most part, we got the mass majority of the stuff done. We'll get this down to a short block. Let's get this on the engine stand, get the oil pan off, so we can get it shipped out of here and get rebuilt. So let's get back to it. Now, I went ahead and put the motor on the engine stand, even though the third bolt hole doesn't actually line up to anything. So we just got the two in there, but I think it'll be fine for now. Just need to carry on, continue taking this oil pan off. So let's go ahead and get this thing turned over, get the oil pan off, probably drain the rest of the coolant off of this thing, and then I need to go find a pallet so I can get this thing shipped off. So let's get back to it. Alright guys, it's getting late on me, so that's it for today. We got the engine stripped down to a short block. I got a lot of parts and bits I need to clean up, get sandblasted, repainted, etc. I also need to clean this garage so I have a better place to work in. And next thing I'm going to be doing is be working on the FC07 and get that painted, so I really need to get this cleaned up in the garage. I really appreciate y'all watching the videos. So if you like what you see, like, subscribe, and share. Any recommendations you got, send them down below in the comments section. And thanks for watching.